into the highlights of the Pakistan Junior League. It's match 5, Hyderabad Hunters versus Gwadar Sharks. The toss was won by Gwadar Sharks and the captain Shamil Hussain chose to field first. Gwadar Sharks making 2 changes, Mohammad Zulkifal and Adnan Iqbal get into the side, and they also got in form Birkenstein and Arafat Minhas in their 11. Hyderabad Hunters also making 2 changes after losing the first game. Overseas Ali Nasir from Afghanistan comes into the side along with James Rosswood from England. Let's join our commentators for match 5 of the Pakistan Junior League. All set and ready for match 5 of the Pakistan Junior League. Once again, Sharks winning the toss and bowling first.
And immediately there is that swing into the left-handed Saad Beg. Cut away. He found the gap, which was the most important thing. It was a length delivery. Again, full toss, dispatch. Consecutive boundaries. Exactly what you expect in the power play. Fine edge. Soft hands, kept it down. Wasn't a slip in play, so it was fine enough to beat that fielder in deep third. Short and pulled away. This is really good batting because the implementation of that first slip. Went for the cut shot, flew off the outside edge and gone for 4. Fifth 4 of the innings so far. They're racing along. Nails a yorker. Excellent stuff, but very unfortunate for Ismail. He concedes another 4. Beautiful. That's a gorgeous looking stroke to end the over. Didn't try to overhit it. He just presented the full face of the bat. Using the aerial route once more. And it's another boundary. Runs flowing. Very good batting from these 2 openers. Beautiful shot on the up. Right angle of the bat to find the gap and cover point.
More runs driven through cover and the chase has been given up. So that's a 50 for the batting side. The Hunters look like a different unit today.
And again, a dazzling stroke once more through the offside. We've seen quite a few like this in the innings.
He's 56 on board.
And again, another half volley. Dear, oh dear, this has been an expensive over. 13 from it at the end of 5, 60 without loss.
Checked in the air, this could be the first wicket. Who wants it? Dropped. Second drop.
What a good shot. Again, off the back foot. What I really like about him is his timing. He doesn't look to overhit the ball. Looks very composed at the crease.
Full toss down the leg side and dispatched. Gets the treatment, a real gift from Benkenstein, and allows the captain to get to his landmark 50. First 50 for Saad Beg. It's been a fine knock by the captain. Big shot down the ground and goes long. That's a handsome stroke that takes him to half a dozen. That's a gorgeous stroke. Lofted drive over extra cover. He's growing in stature. Wants to follow his captain, approaching a half-century Arbaz. And he tries it again. The outcome is the same. Brings up his 50 in style. So both openers now getting to their landmark. And Darren Sami and the Hyderabad Hunters, they appreciate it. Make that 3 in a row. It's raining sixes in this over. Well, there's something about these two. That's wayward. A real gift, but he doesn't get it over the boundary line. Finds the fielder. He'll be so disappointed. Sad big.
That's the wicket. And he could have hit that anyway. He'll be disappointed because he's batted really well up until this point. And there we go. Vivian Richards celebrates another wicket.
The new batter as against the well-set Arbaz. Again, another catch presented and taken. So after putting down 2,
the loss of these 2 wickets will certainly set them back. He'll be disappointed because he had acres of space either side of that fielder.
Another wicket. An absolute beautiful delivery from round the wicket, a googly.
Only to realize that the ball is rushed onto him. And with that grip and turn, he's nowhere near.
Beautiful shot. This one, a little bit of a slingy action. This is the 8th bowler now in Adnan Iqbal, who's come into the attack round the wicket.
He's bowling Yorkers and he's getting them in exactly. Oh, direct hit. We might be going upstairs. Are we? Yes, we are.
I think if you watch, and it only needs, what, a couple of more inches, it'd have been home. So a good piece of fielding.
That's hit him right in front. I was thinking the umpire's taking a long time to give that decision.
The batter, would it go on and hit leg stump, or would it be high? Third umpire now is just communicating to the on-field umpire. He's saying, stay with your on-field decision, out.
Oh, full toss. That's a gift to a new batter. Take it. 4 to your name.
Yeah, brings the 150 up as well.
It's high in the air, but it's gone over everybody. That's a big 6 now. He's just over pitching it time and again, and this time he gets that maximum. He's got the toe end of the bat, hasn't gone anywhere. Backward point. Oh, he's dropped it. Momin has coughed that up. The only problem is the batters are also not paying attention. Go for that run. Play and a miss, a dot ball. That's not a bad over by Shoaib, just 5 of it. 182 for 5. Hyderabad Hunters in their 20 overs. Good batting display. Completely different from what they did in the first game. So at the end of 20 overs, Hyderabad Hunters batted really well to get to 182 for 5, the highest score till now in the Pakistan Junior League. Saad and Arbaz had a super knock of 132-run partnership, getting them to a very good start. Later on down the order, Rana and Iqbal finishing off well to get them to that big total. 8 bowlers were tried by Gwadar Sharks and only a few had purchased. Masood 3 for 26 and 1 for Minhas. And that was all for the bowlers in terms of getting wickets there. A few run-outs, but some drop chances and catches also hurt Gwadar Sharks in this encounter. 183 to win this match at 9.15 runs and over. It's going to be a task for the Sharks. Let's join the action with our commentators.
Outside edge found. And that will race away for 4. So first runs for the Sharks. That's a classy stroke through that cover region. All he did was drove this delivery on the upper bit. And again, this is fine batting by Benkenstein. Much better length, but this pitch is so good you can hit through the line, as we saw on that occasion. Pressure being placed. Gone for the big shot. Falls short of Isaiah Torn. Maybe a misjudgment on his part. It stayed a long time in the air. Cleaned him up. Trying to be too innovative and cheeky, Benkenstein. He pays a heavy price.
Why would you do that? You are 22 of 3 overs.
That's 4. Again, length down the leg side. Help yourself if you like.
And that's a poor over from Munib Wasif.
That's a fine stroke. Clipped away, onside. No space on this delivery. He's got a fair bit of experience, Ibrahim. That's a beauty. Real beauty from Nazir. He's worked hard.
A little change of pace there.
That's a boundary. That's more convincing.
Yeah, this is a good shot. It's calculated. He's got his pad outside the line of the off stump, so if he misses it.
Captain comes down and he's had enough. He hits that maximum, very straight, very safe, and it's a good connection.
That's what he's looking for. So he can pick it up and hit it out the park for a 6.
And that's a bad delivery. Low full toss. 2 fielders on deep mid-wicket and long on. They are too further apart. It was easy for the batter to pierce that gap.
Exactly what I'm talking about with mid-off up. And that length, it's going to run away for a 4. That boundary has just helped them get to 8 runs from the over. 121. Beautiful shot to bring up his half century. Another good over so far, and a 50 for Shamil off 39 balls, 5 4s, 2 6s, and the Sharks believe they can win back-to-back games.
Clipped away and will beat that fielder deep backward square to his left. Little too straight the line. That's hammered and done it quite well. Power from the young man. It's his 3rd 6 of his innings. Oh, how unfortunate. First delivery from Wasif. Finds the outside edge, trickles past the wicketkeeper for 4. That should go all the way. Nope. Into the hands of the fielder. Maybe celebrating too early. And 4 short of a victory for his side.
I'll be disappointed. He's just looking to go up and over the man at 45, and it's hit the toe end of the bat.
On the track, catch it is the cry, and the catch is taken. So, is there a twist in the tail? First delivery producing a wicket, and a little more pressure on the Sharks now.
Come down the wicket, looking to go up and over the long on. He sliced it more than actually making full contact with the face of the blade.
Darren Sammy more tense. Straight to the field, there might be a run out. Maybe he stepped on his stumps. Bails are off. Ball went to point. And evidence there that it's the wicket keeper dislodging the bails. Confirmation of the batter being not out. Yep, there it comes. All fielders within the 30-yard circle. Here we go. In the gap. And that's victory. Victory for Gwadar Sharks. They've played magnificently with the bat, and they've conquered this chase. Second win in a row for this wonderful side.
What a super chase. Twice in the Pakistan Junior League, we've seen a team chasing in the excess of 170 plus, and Gwadar Sharks were perfect today, with the captain leading from the front, Shamil Hussain, getting 87 of 57. And then later in the order, once again, Minhas grabs the all-rounder of the match award, 40 of 32, winning this match comfortably with 1 ball to spare and getting the highest score till now in the Pakistan Junior League, 186 for 5. Bowlers were struggling and they were all over the place. They were hit for runs. They had a good score to defend, but they couldn't manage it on the evening. 2 wickets for Nasir and 2 wickets for Zubair Jr. as well. 1 for Wasif, but wasn't enough to keep Sharks away from winning this one. Match summary tells us Hyderabad Hunters were asked to bat first. At the end of the first innings, it looked like a very, very tough score to chase, 182 for 5, with the captain Saad 64 of 45 and Arbaz 61 of 41, 133-run opening partnership. But it was Gwadar Sharks and their captain Shamil and his men who decided that this is going to be easy. Scored that in 19.5 overs, 186 for 5, winning this match and getting 2 points for themselves. Hope you've enjoyed the highlights of Match 5 of the Pakistan Junior League. Until next time, it's goodbye.